back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about how you can convert your website into a mobile app. Yes guys, you heard me right, into a mobile app, and it is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything, you don't have to pay any platform. I will show you the secret platform you can use to convert your website or your links. You can even do that for your YouTube channel into a mobile app, and it's as easy as ABC. All you have to do is to follow my instructions, and within 10 to 15 minutes you will be through. The good part is you can download the APK, the ABB file, and even the APK version, and upload on Play Store, Google Play Store. So it is absolutely free to create this app. Don't let anybody dupe you. You don't have to pay anyone to help you do it. Just follow my instructions and you're good to go. Once we return, I'm going to get started right away. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as promised earlier, this is the website. It's called appsgaysar.com. So you're going to see, that's the spelling right there. Now with this app, they said make Android apps in 5 minutes with App Creator without any coding and fees. So guys, all you have to do is just to follow my instructions right now, and you are good to go. I'm going to teach you the A to Z of developing Android apps. In short, it is far beyond turning your website into an Android app. You can create any form of app with this platform. Let's get started to see how it works. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create an app for free. I told you earlier guys, it's absolutely free. I don't need any coding experience. Just follow my instructions, that's all you need. So on this platform, said they have three segments. They said popular, business, and individual. So for popular, there are lots of app templates you might want to use. For example, they have the Chat AI, which is just like Chat GPT. Business website, they have the store, they have messenger, video for video calls, they have video calls and chat, they have VPN. So there are lots and lots of it. So another thing is you can check the business segments to see whatever is there, and this is for the business. Then they have the individual. So as I told you earlier guys, that you can also turn your YouTube or Facebook page into an app. These are the options here. They also have the individual. So the individual apps you can create the VPN apps, you can create you can convert website link into mobile apps. So lots of opportunities exist here. So guys, let's get started, and let's see how this whole thing works. So let's go back to popular, then click on business website. Now for the purpose of today's tutorial, I'll be using one of my website, which is vilehq.com.ng. It's a job website, and we're going to insert the link here where the website URL. So your URL is the link to your website. Then you click on get content. You have to give it some time to load, and after loading, we can move ahead to checking out the website, how it looks, and what it looks like as a mobile app. So after loading, you need to click here to preview the website. Let's see what's going to show up, and that's it. So this is my website. As you can see the website here. So what is going to reflect here is your design. Whatsoever you have designed on the website will reflect here. And now this is what the app will look like. So the next thing is you can add features or whatever features you want. For example, blog, whatever things you want to add. You can change the primary color, you can remove the tab. For this one, I'm removing this tab, so I've removed the tab. Then you click on next. Now don't forget, you can add WhatsApp, add anything you want to add, but most times I don't really think you need it, because what your users want is to have the same experience they're having on a website. You want to have it on the app also. So click on next. So they're asking ads and purchases, and also ads only, no monetization. So do you want to add in-app and purchases? If you want to add the monetization, or you don't want, so lots of things. Now for this platform, there is no in-app purchases. All you need to do is click on ads only. That's for Google monetization. Also they said app name. What is the app name? So you can just name the app. Let's call it .com.ng. Now you click on next. So the default icon, do you have a particular icon on your system or your phone that you like to use? If you want a custom icon, you have to click here and you'll be asked to upload a custom icon. Let's look for one and upload. I hope I have an icon on my system. Let's go to download, or let's use this one. Let's see it work. So I'm using the YouTube icon. Now we are almost there. Then click on create. Once you click on create, you have to give it some time to load. It's generating your app. If you don't have an account with them, then automatically you have to what? You have to create one. So let's continue with Google. You have to sign up and create an account. That's where they can always send updates to you. Updates as regards you updating your platform, your code, and some other things. So I'm using this account to create the account. So we are almost there. They said invalid character. So technically, app name. So you have to change the app name to, let's change it to something like Environment HQ2. Click on create. That's it. So our app is ready, and this is it. And this is the app right here. It has 0 installations. So if you want to, they have other possibilities too, which includes if you want some extra features to your app, or you want to take ownership of it, then you can use all those ones. But technically, this platform doesn't really require all those many things. Once you have the basic things, you are good to go. So you can decide to download the APK version, or to download, for example, they said scan QR code with your camera to download the APK. So if you use your QR code to check this out, it's going to download the APK for your Android phone, or you use this other part, which is the link. Just click on the link. You want to take it to where you're going to download the APK version. On the other hand, if you have an account with Google Play, you can download the AAB version here, and you can this is the version you take to Google Play and upload on Google Play. So if you have an AdMob account, or you want to monetize your app, like I told you guys earlier, if you want to create any type of app, just go to the first part. It's going to tell you what kind of app you want to create, and you can select any of them and start monetizing. So if you have the link, if you have an active app or deal account, you can click here, and you must be published on Play Store. The same thing applies to Google Play. Once you publish your app on Play Store, you can actually use Google AdMob, and they have app list. So it all depends on what you want to do, guys. But like I said earlier, this is the best platform you can use to develop your mobile app, whether free or paid. And number 2 is that you don't need any coding skill to start using this platform. Number 3 is it's absolutely free to use this platform unless you want some extra features. You can also monetize your app. Some of us have websites that are monetized with Adsense. We also monetize the same website with AdMob. So it's left for you to do this, guys. If you want it, if you like it, check the link in the description section below. Click on the link and it will take you to this website where you can start creating your apps from your website. If you are watching our video for the very first time, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. We talk about web design, blogging, YouTubing. We talk about making money online. We talk about investment. We do scam alerts and all. Thanks once again for watching our video. We love you so much, and bye for now.